underneath the yellow light. Thoughts racing, trying to hit a lick right now. So you know I can't come outside. I can see the world from...
Hey people, what is up? This is Animesh and welcome back to yet another video. So today I am in front of you all with another brand new video, and today we are unboxing, we are having our first look, and we are also reviewing this Realme Buds 2. These were launched by Realme way back in 2019, so I thought why not review this today in 2020, and let's see how these earphones are keeping up in 2020. So beside the Realme Buds 2, you can find some basic documentation by Realme in their box. You can also find some different sizes of ear tips. So first impression, these earphones are quite long. The cable, the braided cable is long enough. Okay, so starting with the review itself, I have been using these earphones since now 3 to 4 days, and I noticed some pros and some cons. So yeah, let's get started with the review itself. So starting with the buds itself, it has a 11.2mm bass drivers, and the company claims that it has a bass boost. And yeah, in that I would like to say that yes, if you're a bass lover, you'll surely love this. And considering the price, that is 600 rupees, you are getting a good and a really good amount of bass in music in terms of sound. And yeah, if we see the buds itself, these two are made up of fully plastic. As you can see, there is no metal or something like that used in these earphones. These are fully made up of plastic, and yeah, it has this magnetic function, which I sort of liked. And yeah, it is good that at this price point Realme is giving this feature in their earphones. And yes, this magnetic function is quite useful in keeping these two buds together. And yeah, this magnet is quite strong too. Now coming down from buds to the controller itself, this earphone also has an integrated microphone and also a volume control button. And yeah, this is quite functional. As you can see, from here you can just keep down the volume, and from here you can just keep up the volume. And it also has a multifunctional button that can be used to accept or reject call, forward some music tracks, and rewind some music tracks. So yes, this is quite useful, and I appreciate that at this point, at this price point, again they have provided with this very functional, I would say very functional controller. And behind that you can see the microphone, that integrated microphone. The quality of this integrated microphone is really good when you receive call, and the voice is very crisp and clear with this microphone. So talking about the build quality in respect of price for these Realme Buds 2, I would like to say that the build is really good in this Realme Buds 2. And also if we compare this with the competitors in the market, that are Sennheisers and the JBLs, coming at this price point, I would like to say that the Realme Buds 2 are really better in terms of build quality. Considering the build, they have provided a braided cable at this price point, which is really commendable. And you can expect these earphones lasting longer than the usual ones coming at this price point. And yes, it would have been really great if the Realme had provided these two separate cables also with the braided quality. But yes, it is bounded in a price segment, and for that, these are really insane. Now the next thing which I would like to say, if you can consider this as a function, because Realme is including this thing as a function in the earphone. This is what they're calling a cable organizer that can keep your earphones together. And yes, I would say that it might or might not be useful for you, but saying this personally, I would not use this cable organizer sort of thing very often. So it would look like this if you use this cable organizer sort of thing. But yes, personally I would say this, that this thing may vary from person to person. And talking about the sound quality of these earphones, let's start with the bass itself. As the company claims that it has 11.2mm bass drivers that provides you with a good amount of bass. And yes, I would agree with this. I found the bass of this earphone really good and really punchy. And yes, in terms of bass quality, I would rate these earphones 9 out of 10. Talking about the mid-tones, the vocals in the music these earphones give, I would say that yes, it is really good, and I would rate this earphones in terms of the mid-tones and the vocals 9 out of 10. But yes, I would say that the high tones in this earphones is not that crispy, but yes, it is really appealing, so I would rate it 8 out of 10. And the overall, the bass quality, the music quality of this earphones, the sound quality which you get in terms of receiving or talking to someone on a call, that is 9 out of 10. And if you like bass, if your priority is bass and you love bass music a lot, I would surely say that I would surely recommend you this earphones. And yes, at this price point, again and again I'm saying that at a price point of 600, this earphones is really mind-blowing. And overall quality, I would like to say that these earphones are 9 out of 10 in terms of music, bass, the voice quality, the bass. So till now we had discussed about some advantages, some pros, some good things about these earphones, but I thought that since you are seeing this review, if you are planning to get one of these for you, I would like to keep some cons which I noticed with these earphones in front of you. And you should also know that, starting with the earphones itself, the Realme claims that these two cables, particular cables which has this magnetic functions that keeps these two drivers together, they are some sort of anti-tuning, and they have mentioned it a lot. But I would like to say that this is not completely anti-tangle. As you can see, this tangles sometimes, and sometimes it is as it is. So yeah, that is not a major problem. That is some sort of what we say, a minor thing which I noticed in this earphones. And now coming to the headphone jack itself, this is a 3.5mm jack. So I would like to say that if Realme had provided some angled headphone jack, it would have been really good thing. But considering the price point, this headphone jack is not that bad. It is really good, but I would like to say that we had appreciated if this headphone jack was angled. Yes, considering this earphones, these were only the two minor things which I noticed. So to sum up, I would like to say that if you have a really tight budget of 600 and you're looking for the earphone that provides you with the best quality in terms of build and the sound and the music, you can surely go for the Realme Buds 2, as they have improved a hell lot from the Realme first version to this one. And yes, I would surely recommend this for you if you are looking for an earphone that provides you with great sound quality. The essential important links are given in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. And I would like to sum up that this was the video, guys. This was it. And after a very long time, such video came on the channel, such review, such unboxing, and this particular view which you are seeing. And yes, that's it. That was the video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I guess you enjoyed this video and found this informative. If so, do give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure that you ring that notification bell icon so that you can never miss a video from my side. This was Animesh signing off. Have a great day ahead.